In this Bluehost shared hosting review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of Bluehost shared hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning website using Bluehost on its shared hosting service. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount that will get you up to 75% off web hosting plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You do not receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Bluehost. Bluehost was launched in 2003 and is recommended by WordPress.org. Bluehost and WordPress have worked together since 2005. Bluehost provides comprehensive tools for all, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Bluehost powers millions of websites and is trusted by 2 million users. For this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the most popular Bluehost shared web hosting plans. Bluehost offers 4 different plans on its shared hosting service, consisting of the Basic plan, Choice Plus plan, Online Store plan, and Pro plan. You get the Basic plan for as low as $1.99 a month, and the plan renews at $7.99 a month. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for as low as $3.99 a month, and the plan renews at $13.99 a month. The Online Store plan you can get for as low as $7.45 a month, and it renews at $18.99 a month. The Pro plan you can get for as low as $9.99 a month, and it renews at $20.99 a month. All 4 hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, free domain name for the first year, web application firewall, DDoS protection, free CDN by Cloudflare with Argo Routing, AI site creation tools, and 24/7 support. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by Wondercart. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost Online Store plan provides. The Pro plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Click Search for a domain, proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Cart page. Where you see your hosting plan listed, you can change your hosting term. Click the Continue to Checkout button. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information. Next, complete your payment. Bluehost will now have you set up a password for your Bluehost account. WordPress will begin installing. Once it is done, you'll be directed to a Make Your Dreams a Reality page. Click the Start Setup button. You'll then be taken to a page where you can easily create your site through Bluehost Quick and Easy tool with step-by-step guidance. Now let's go over the back end and control panel of Bluehost. Once signed up, this is what the Bluehost control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. You'll see cPanel email. Click this to create a new email account. Click Continue with email account selected. It'll take you to the cPanel where you can easily create your email address ending in your domain name. I'm back on the home page of the Bluehost control panel. If you click Websites and then Settings under the website, you can access a bunch of features like security, backups, speed, and more. You'll see your Bluehost name servers listed here. Now let's cover the cPanel. To get to the cPanel, click the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see cPanel. Click the Manage button. You'll now be in the cPanel page. To create email accounts within cPanel, just find the email section and click Email Accounts. You can easily create email addresses ending in your domain name. From the cPanel page, if you type Soft Aculus in the search field, click the Soft Aculus Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website if you don't want to use WordPress, which is used by default by Bluehost. When it comes to customer support, Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support via chat and phone. Bluehost also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, answers to questions that you might have, which can be helpful. Now let's go over the site speed and performance of Bluehost. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 1.3 seconds. Great website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. I hope you enjoyed this Bluehost shared hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.